Hello Taurus. Right now I'm gonna do your love reading for the month of June 2021. We will just do a straightforward love reading for Taurus people. It's gonna be just about love, okay? So you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Okay, so let's start shuffling. Okay. So your overall energy is death. Okay. So 2 of swords, 9 of swords, lots of thinking, temperance, 5 of wands, 6 of swords, lots of air energy, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, the lovers, and we have death. So Taurus, your overall energy is death. You have ended something. Okay, you have ended something. This card depicts that ending of a cycle, a powerful moment. And if death comes in a love reading, it's spell trouble, especially if you are wondering if you should stay or go. Okay, so you have just ended something with someone, okay, and now your cycle is ending here, okay, with that person. Your cycle is ended here, and it also represents that you need to let go. Okay, you need to let go this, or if you are feeling hurt right now, this don't just affect your future because of that. Okay, so it also shows that just end your cycle, just end your cycle. Okay, and here something has ended, and underneath we have tower. Tower is also comes under major arcana. This board comes under major arcana, and the tower is also represents some destruction, some ending. And I'm just wondering about this reading, that this both cards came out together as a bottom of the deck. Your overall energy, like you are going through some big transformation in your life. You are just feeling very like here 9 of swords, very depressed, very after this all conflicts and chaos, you are just feeling very depressed, very anxiety, very like you felt anxious. Okay, like this both cards came from major arcanas, and it also in positive, if you see this in a positive way, then you will realize that death and the tower is all about endings, okay, breakthroughs. And this tower represents some some upcoming opportunity or some upcoming aha moment for you, okay, after this death, after this ending of a cycle in your life. Okay, so here first card for Taurus is 2 of swords. Okay, 2 of swords, when it appears in a love reading, then it means that neither one of you is willing to back down in an argument and admit when you are wrong. Okay, and you both haven't communicated since long time, and you both are very stubborn. That's why this ending is here, that's why this tower moment is here. Okay, so you both 2 of swords, like very creating problems in relations, and just you both are very stubborn. Okay, I'm just picking up on energy here. You both are very stubborn, and below this 2 of swords we got this card 5 of wands. 5 of wands is all about chaos, conflicts, fighting, or just very stubborn in nature, and just showing I will tell you about this temperance also. We can relate this 5 of wands and this temperance. Like you both are conflicting each other, and just heat of the moment you have just just fighting, very strong hard word to each other, saying lots of things, saying a lot of rubbish to each other. Like these are very just I'm picking up on energy that this card, the immature energy I'm picking up here. Okay, very immature energy. Sorry about that for Taurus. This reading just came out. This all cards came out. So here, that's why because of this immaturity or because of this conflict, you have to have a moment or this, and you both are just stressing yourself. Okay, you both are stressing, just insomnia, unable to sleep at night or something like that because of this Two of Swords. Okay, you both are very depressed, very just thinking here. Swords is all about your mental conflict. Okay, your mental conflict. So Swords here, Nine of Swords is not a good card. Okay, not a good card. It's all over your head, and just you both are suffering from this. You both are suffering from this. Is mutual. Okay, this is mutual. And underneath just Nine of Swords is clarified by Six of Swords. So Six of Swords here, I can just, Six of Swords is mostly is all about traveling, but here this means that Six of Swords is telling you that one day you too will heal. Okay, I think this was your karmic, and she or he has a purpose to come into your life, and this was a relationship, like this is a part of your journey. Okay, this is a part of, like it has some purpose. Okay, for you to learn something. That was your karmic. Okay, so here I am picking up on energy that you too will heal. Okay, someday or one day you too will heal and move on. Moving on energy here I am picking up, because you suffered a lot. So the Six of Swords is clarifying this. So you too will heal in future. Okay, and that's for better for both of you. And it also represents that this card is also convincing you that there is a better things out there for you, Taurus, because this has a purpose. This has a purpose. That's why it happens, and something better things out there for you. Okay, so don't worry about that. These all are just temporary energy you are going through in your life. Just don't take it seriously. Don't take it in your head like this. Don't take. Okay, and so here we received Temperance and the Lovers. Okay, like lovers is coming in a love reading, so it's a great card for us. But here the story is different. Here the story is very different, because your overall energy and this 4 card is not just, I'm just picking up on energy that it predicts a future where you are content with your circumstances. It doesn't necessarily promise you will or you will not meet someone like that, someone new coming into your life. Okay, because you waited so long, and you still are waiting and just moving on from this all chaos. And now you are very happy what is happening in your life. Okay, so this is all about you, Taurus. So here I will just add the tower. So now I will take one advice, like I'm not ready. Okay. So I will take one card for you as an outcome advice, one message for Taurus. Please give me one card for Taurus. Love reading June 2021. One card, one suggestions, one advice for Taurus. Star, very good card and very positive card. The star, it came from Major Arcanas, and someone new is coming. Okay, and it could be Aquarius, it could be Gemini also. It could be Gemini also, because we have lovers. Okay, Aquarius or Gemini people. Your wish will be fulfilled soon. The angels is giving you a message that what are you suffering from now? One day you feel very satisfied and very happy in your life, because the star is appearing as an outcome. Okay, it came under Major Arcanas, and it's a long term energy. Okay, so what are you wishing right now? You will definitely receive. Okay, so this is your reading, Taurus. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. if you like what I do. Thank you.